It is time to open our daily boxes for the Stitch Supply Company. Hey, I'm Becky from Patchworkers Plus, my online quilt group, where I help you finish what you start, use what you have, and build friendships without even leaving your home. You are invited to join me there if you are interested. Check the link in the description. All right, we are going to open this every day, and you're going to see what's inside and what is included. Let's check it out. We are at the last day. It is day 25. No box for this, just a cute little envelope with pajamas. Oh, they're postcards. Look how adorable. That's kind of fun. Unexpected. I love this idea. Oh, here's my favorite. This kind of stuff would be fun if you framed it as well. Feel free to like hang it on your wall. Oh, here's the weird matchsticks, but I love them. And of course, the bunny with his Walkman. This is adorable.